Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thanks for viewing. Don't forget to subscribe, comment and like. Today we're going to be cooking a prawn balti. Very nice seafood dish. Got a little bit of a tangy sour taste with the Balti paste. So I'm going to give you an insight into all British Indian restaurant cooking. So check out my other videos. We're ready to go. Okay guys, ready to go. So let's add a little bit of oil, a couple of teaspoons, so nothing gets stuck to the pan. Let that warm up for a bit. Then we've got our garlic ginger paste. Just going to let that brown a little bit. You want to be quick. The garlic cooks very quick and it will go burn very quickly. So when it's gone a little bit goldeny, and you're ready for your tomato puree, just a couple of teaspoons. Then you've got your Bhuna fine cut onions and peppers. So I've given that a couple of minutes and it's caramelised nicely. So I'm going to add about a teaspoon to 1.5 teaspoons of desi style spice. That's where you put the flame lower so the spices doesn't burn. A touch of salt, as I mentioned for prawn dishes, I put a little bit of salt because it's not pre-cooked with salt as the chicken and lamb is. So we're going to add a little bit of Balti paste, about a teaspoon, teaspoon and a half. It's very strong, so you don't want to add too much. It will be very tangy, very sour flavour. Slowly let that mix in. Then you put your base gravy. So you've got about half a pint base gravy. Just want to let everything mix in. We want to put the prawn at the end so it doesn't overcook. You want to make sure your sauce is correct. Nice thickness, everything is mixed in. The prawns that we're using, Mr. Prawns, they're pre-cooked anyway. So, you can have them cold. It's not going to cause you any problems. So I gave that a couple of minutes. It's got to a nice thickness. Everything's mixed in. We've got our pre-cooked prawns. Just want to put them in there. Like I said, maximum a couple of minutes. You don't want to give the prawns too long. As mentioned before, it will go rubbery. Very elastic. It'll just be very chewy. You sprinkle some coriander on there. And then with about 30 seconds, 45 seconds, just a couple of tomatoes, cut tomatoes. So that's bubbled nicely, the prawns are done. The colour's slightly flat. Just want to grab a little bit of oil, just put it on there. It'll give it a nice shiv. And that's ready now. Okay, so we've got a nice Balti dish. You can buy these quite cheaply. And it just gives it a nice, bit more sprinkle of coriander on top. There you have it, a lovely prawn balti, ready within minutes. When you've got the base gravy, everything ready,